Oh yeah, gives me the energy to show you the kit. Woo! Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I got a box in today. Woohoo! This is a Tamiya kit. This is the Black Edition Grasshopper. I wanted this from the first run and I missed out. So when they re-released it, I had to get it. Let's take a close look at this beauty. All right guys, let's open this beauty up. Bear with me here. I got this camera rigged up kind of weird. It's like really in the way. Hey, that's no Black Edition. No, there it is. Let's get her out. Let me move this box. There she is. There it is. I think this is the best looking Grasshopper they ever made in the Black Edition. For me anyway. I know they have the green and stuff, but I like this one. I'm going to be building it. I'm going to be putting my radio link radio with this little receiver here with the gyro in it. Because with these hoppers, the gyro makes them drive so much better. Let's open this bad boy up and take a quick gander at what's inside. I know there was a billion Grasshopper unboxings and green editions and black editions, but this is RC's and I'm just doing it quick. There's the box art. Look at that high performance chassis right there. Look at that bulletproof rear end, top-notch front independent suspension. It's ready to pounce. There's the schematics. Ooh, look at that. Upgrades. 540 size motor and bearings. Woo, we're going to have to do that to it. Let's open her up. What's nice about the Tamiya kits now, that right there includes Hobby Wing ESC. Because when I used to have the Tamiya ones, oh my god, I hated them Tamiya ESCs. There it is right there, Hobby Wing. This is the 1060. Awesome ESC. We got the tires. Let's smell them real quick. Oh yeah, gives me the energy to show you the kit. Woo! And there it is. Black body. That's gonna look sweet. Especially with all the fluorescent parts on here. Like the wheels. Look at these. Ooh, they're awesome. Let's see what's in this box here. It's the Grasshopper box. Ta-da! We got a bumper. Front springs and spindles and one gear and some lube. More gears. Boo, little 380s in here. No, we're not going to use that. parts, axles, ABC parts, ABC. What else is there? Lots of screws. The famous Tamiya Lover's Dream bushings. Every Tamiya kit builder has loads of these. Don't ever throw them away. You could use these on lots of stuff for inventions. That's this box. Oops, I gotta throw this back in it. What else we got here? Front A-arm, servo saver stuff. Driver figure, Nerf bars, battery cover. And there's the almighty, trustworthy, rigid, solid axle gearbox. And then we got instructions. We all know this is the same for every hopper. It's just a different color. Let's see the decals. Oh my. Look at them. It's a miracle, ladies and gentlemen. Wait. One cotton picking minute. Oh, look at that. It's a miracle. They're pre-cut out. They're pre-cut out. Thank you, Jesus. Tamiya went the extra mile with this one. Yep. That's the kit, guys. What's this? Oh, this shows you how to put a 540 in it, I think. Maybe not. No, this is just the body. That's showing you how to put the 380. I wonder why that's outside the manual. Weird. Anyhow, that's it, guys. That's the Grasshopper Black Edition. I don't know when I'm going to build this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So, one time you'll see it. Alright, guys. That's it for me here with this new kit. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Later. Steve Harris, NRC. And I'm out with the Hoppin' Beauty.